That looks good. Nice. Whoa. That looks good. Nice. So I remember before you didn't have it sealed. Like, did you upgrade power or change the port or what?
There's a whole nother box.
Okay.
There's a 6.0 418s in the FU audio. 4K amp with Taramps on mids and highs.
Okay. Wow. How about your electrical?
It's running off 2 stock alternators right now.
2 stock alternators, okay. Better than 1. All right.
Yeah, but I got my other one sent off, so I got it back here.
Okay. And this is an audio pipe 4K.
Yes, sir.
And 1 ohm? Half ohm. Okay. Do you know the tunings of the box?
The red is tuned between 22 and 20.
Okay.
I think 26, something like that.
All right.
The furthest, it was like 48 to 50.
48 to 50?
Yeah.
Okay, good bandwidth. All right. Does it hair trick a little bit?
Yeah, a little.
Okay. I like the lights, it makes it pop in there. And you got fans to cool the amp. That helps. All right. music.
Yeah.
It's good. Wow. Appreciate it, man. What was your name? Steve, Jacob. Thanks for the demo, man.
Ain't no problem. Yeah, it's a big difference from last year, but
I remember before you didn't have it sealed off.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it'll be different next year too.
Okay. More projects. Did you ever meter it?
A while back it was like the hot up was like a 149.
149?
Yeah, 148, 149.
It really likes the load. That's a good song.
Yeah.
That was 22 hertz.
Yeah.
Alright. Appreciate it, man. You have a good day. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.